Hi guys, good morning. It's me again. So anyway guys, I got some items that I received today. So this is what I'm going to show you, and let's see what it is. So ayan siya guys. So, yung ating ano? Tingnan natin dito. Ano ba? Oh, so it's a Sapphire. Wow, it's a little bit smaller. Ayan. Oh, ang ganda. Ang ganda niya, guys. Ayan. It's a sapphire ring with diamond, as you can see. Ayan, diamond po yung dito niya. So clear. But, yeah. And this is, let's see how, I forgot. This is a Japan. So, ayan. It's a 4.4 grams. Ayan. Ang ganda niya, guys. It's pretty. And size, I think this is size, where's my other phone? If I'm not wrong, the size for that one is size, hold on, size. Sorry guys, I couldn't find it. It's a size 5. No, lumaki pala talaga ako, no? Kasi, ayan. It's a size 5. Dati kasi, oh, it still fit naman. If I need to push it, ayan. But I think it would be perfect here. Ang itim ko, guys. Gagamitan na natin ng mga bright. Ayan. Poor na kamay talaga. Not really good on modeling. Ano ba yan? Modeling some jewelry or rings. Ayan. Yan yung look. See, ang ganda niya, guys. Super ganda. So, ayan. The price for this one is, hold on. The price, saan ba yung calculator ko? Hindi ako pwedeng walang calculator. So, I think this is 2, 320. So, yung ano po niya, yung price po nito is 320. Size 5, 4.4 grams. So, ayan siya guys. And then, our next one is, this is an 18 karat guys ha. And then, there's some details here. Babasahin natin yung details. It's 155 ounce, o yung grams is a 4.4 grams. And then, the diamond, hindi nakalagay kung ano yung, let's see. Mamaya na lang. Next muna tayo. So, next one is another so it's another ring. This is actually a super uso, like a Chanel thing. Meron ako, but it's a different. So this is more like Chanel talaga. And this is a diamond. This is yan. Kasyang-kasya dito. So I think this is, so yan, it's an 18 karat. The diamond for this, hold on guys. Ayan. Okay, rita. Bumababa. The diamond for this one, this is 4 point. Let's see if it's accurate. It's 4.8 grams, and the main stone carat, the diamond is 0.3 CT carat. Yung diamond, and the size is 5/3/4 ang size niya. So, it's size 5/3/4. Kasyang-kasya dito sa ano ko, dito sa middle ko. So, and this is 4.8 grams. Pabalik-balik na tayo guys. Ayan, that's the look. And the price, this is a little bit expensive. And hold on. It's 350 for this one guys. 350 for this one. So ayan siya guys. It's nice. Ayun. It's 350 sa piece na to. So ayan siya. And the other one, it's a nice one guys. It's a nice collection that you can add on your jewelry bag. So ayan siya, 4.8 grams, size 5/3/4, and this one is a size 5. It's a pretty one. I like this one. Ayan, it's pretty, and this is all Japan gold guys. So ayan, 350, 320 for this piece. Ayan siya. And that's all for today. And I got this pendant also kasi I bought this in the auction also. No one bought it, so I kept it kasi wala pa akong ganito. So I decided to buy this. Sorry guys, buy this piece para mag-match yung earrings. May kamatch yung earrings niya. So that's all for today guys. Thank you so much, and bye. So this is our available sapphire ring. It's a 4.4 grams. It's a size 5. The carat of the diamond is not seen, so I don't know. But this is a Japan gold, and it's 320 for this piece. 320. It's so pretty. So this is also another piece of a diamond ring. This is size 5 3/4, and the diamond carat is 0.3 carat, and this is a Japan 18K gold for 350. So this is from the auction, guys. It's only 350. 4.8 grams diamond ring. And grab yours now. This is only one, guys. This is only one.